How to delete Pinterest account permanently. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your Pinterest account permanently. For that, you'll have to open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. On the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen to access your profile. Tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Here, look for the option Account Management. Tap on it and scroll further down until you see Delete Data and Account option here. Tap on it. Pinterest will prompt you to confirm your action by sending an email to your linked Gmail address. Tap on Continue to proceed. You will be asked to select your reason for leaving Pinterest. Choose the most appropriate reason from the list provided. After selecting the reason, choose the Send Email option. Now Pinterest will send an email to your linked Gmail address. Check your Gmail inbox for the email from Pinterest. Once you get it, click on it and scroll down in the email. You will find Yes Delete Account option. Pinterest will inform you that your account will be deleted after 14 days. So if you are ready to delete your account permanently, click on this Yes Delete Account option. Wait for a while and your Pinterest account will be deleted permanently. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.